Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back again with me, Follow Really. Today's Wednesday, even weekdays, but I'm holiday or free. I'm just stay at home. And I see outside, I think the weather is a little bit good. Because last 2 weeks ago, it was rain all day, non-stop. But I think today, the weather is a little bit good. Why not? We're gonna go outside and explore the Japanese countryside, the view of the Japanese countryside, peaceful, calm, and tranquility. If you want to see the Japanese countryside, how life in Japanese countryside, don't forget to stay tuned. Let's explore. So let me prepare my stuff. I think I want to bring this. This is my camera battery, DZI. So I have 3 batteries, microphone, tripod, and also I have one book, Decoding Japan, from Akihabara Tozori. Yeah, let's read this book as well. Earphone. I think that's it. And my wallet. Where's my wallet? So here's my wallet, and this is my mask. Because it's actually rainy season in Japan. That's why we go out. We have to, wear masks as well. And what else? My motorbike keys. Yeah, I think that's all. That's all my stuff that I have to bring. So let's go. Hey guys, by the way, let me go through one of the supermarket here. I want to buy some bread or some water. So stay tuned, guys. So let me buy some bread paste and here buy some bread or some snack. We're gonna continue go to one of the small garden. Then nearby me there is some flowers that are blooming now. I think I'm gonna buy this one. This is Yuzuki bread and then one water. Curry sweet or I'm looking for the cold one. Where is the refrigerator? We paid. Hi. Hi. Okay. So let me pay it first. Hi. So let me pay it first. Thank you. So now we're gonna go to flower. You guys can see the view of the flower. It's beautiful. With the view, it's beautiful. With a peaceful place. And yeah. And I see there's visitors that are come out of here in this morning. So this flower is like rain flower. It's actually summer season, rain season to summer season, and this flower is blooming. That's why, if I guess, I think this is rain flower. By the way, guys, it's freaking hot. It's freaking hot, bro. Not gonna lie. So I think I'm gonna go to one of the small house over there and sit a little bit. After rain, it's hot. It's quite hot. Freaking hot. Now I'm gonna show you guys the view of the Japanese beach or Japanese ocean. By the way, people are fishing. Tiyo mas na. Mati da mais. Kaya mais. Makail-kail na ba? I think I'm gonna buy crawfish. Take back my coin. Here's the crawfish. Guys, by the way, in this area people are doing surfing here because in this area the wave is a little bit big. That's why people are doing surfing here. Even in the winter season they are doing surfing because of the hobby, bro. So the Japanese people hobbies are all hobby. No matter what, they keep doing it. Here's the view. So I just go through Losong.
とうございます。194円です。はい、200円お願いします。6円。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
2 years ago, I was stay over there. Me and my friend, we were stay over there, and every morning we go through this bridge. That's why this bridge is emotional for me. We have been through so many difficult moments on this bridge. So